Hello friends, I am Soham Maiti and you are welcome to my channel Unique Ideas by Soham. Today I will do an experiment from the Ultimate Science Kit box as I have now. You can order it from any online shopping app like Amazon or Flipkart. So I am doing an experiment named glowing worms. So let's begin. So, as you can see, in the first step, we have to measure 25 ml of hot water in the measuring cylinder. This is the measuring cylinder and I have poured 25 ml of hot water in it. Now, I have to pour it in a cup. This, I will pour it. Now, second step, I have to take 1.5 or half scoop of gel powder. This is the gel powder. So now I will take gel powder, half spoon, so this is half, and I will pour it in this. Then we have to take glowing powder. Yes, this is glowing powder. This is also half spoon. So half. They have given very less amount of glowing powder, so it is hard to remove, but however I removed it, and again I will pour this also. Then I have to mix the solution with a spoon. I will take this stirring stick and I will stir it 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So let's wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So friends, 5 minutes are done and now we will do the following steps now. We have to do it. Leave the paste for 2 to 3 minutes and add 10 ml water to the paste and mix. So again 10 ml water, the measuring beaker. I will take 10 ml of water and I will pour in it. I will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So now 3 minutes are done and now we will take funnel and the squeezy bottle. We have to remove this lid. So for removing this lid, it will not come from hand. So I have taken this and I will hold it and remove. Yes. So as you can see, the lid has come in my hand and this is the bottle, the funnel, and I will pour in it. So now, as you can see, we have poured 25 ml. And now fill the second cup with water. We can take any amount. I will take say 15 ml. So I will pour 15 ml water in it. 15 ml. I drop. Where is the magic powder? Yes, this is the magic powder. I will get half spoon of it and pour in it. It will automatically get dissolved in water. It is a soluble material. So now we have to again close the lid of this squeezy bottle, and we have to put this one also, outer lid, and we have to hold it upside down for few seconds. So this paste settles down near the. I will tilt it away. Yes, I think now it is done. Now then squeeze the bottle to release glowy worms in the magic powder solution. Okay. So put it on like this. Again we need this. It is not coming out. Yes, it came. So now we have to pour it in it. As you can see, the color of water is changing. See, it is falling. We will wait for some time too. So now let's wait for a minute. So friends, our experiment is successful. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.